Hey guys, homesteading cheaper by the dozen. We got, last time we were out here at the shop, we got all 4 posts in and put them in the concrete. And today we're lacking, I think, 3 more posts. And then as soon as we have those in, we'll start leveling them up and putting more concrete down. We're getting pretty excited. Come on, guys. These are good teamwork.
Alright, boss man.
Where's that one go?
Maybe right there.
All right.
I go down a little bit, but I still hold it up.
Alright, children. Playtime. Playtime.
Hey Dad, where's your door gonna be?
Lift together, Jacob. Jacob, lift.
You don't have the option. That'd be the hard.
Good job. All right, we got Ethan's working on cleaning the bark off of one, and then we have one more to go up front there, and we'll be leveling them up. We got our first row of posts up. It's actually coming out pretty nice and straight. Let's take that down to the orchard fence. It's always a challenge when you're working with old crooked posts to get it to come out nice and straight and lined up, but it's off to a good start. That's what we can afford, so we're going to work with what we got. We've got everything. Isaiah's cleaning the bark off the last post. We're going to have a 5-foot section here and a 12-foot door, 5-foot section and a 12-foot door, and then a 5-foot section over there, and then the same on the back. So we'll have 2 12-foot doors that we can pull all the way through, theoretically. But yeah, we're making some progress. Stay tuned for more. That's the final product for tonight. The boys are taking a break and working on some of their projects. Got some mini bikes and go-karts and 4-wheelers, a little bit of everything they got going on in here. But we've got the side over there, side over there. Dad's got to help a little bit. We got to straighten some of these up. But we got, this is going to be a doorway and then a section in between. And we'll have a doorway here. We didn't set any of these back posts in concrete yet because Dad's got to help go back through and kind of square up some. But and then we just lack the 1, 2, 3, 4 across the front, and we'll be ready to start shooting up some lath and putting the sides on and start working our way up to rafters or trusses. We're going to try to build some trusses to go across this, but we're excited. We may have a spot out of the mud to put our tools in the dry. What do you think, Ethan?
I like the mud better.
You like the mud? Well, you can stay outside in the mud. I'm going to stay inside. Keep my tools out of the mud. There you go. Like, subscribe, gives us a thumbs up, and y'all have a good day.